Welcome, viewer. My name is Don. Thanks for joining us on our tour of Milford Sound and Queenstown. We drive from Mount Cook to Queenstown. The scenery is very arid at first, but turns into rolling farmland. In January 1977, my parents and myself visited New Zealand. We went to Milford Sound by bus from Christchurch. Here's what we saw. I recommend you take a ship cruise up the Sound, like we did. Here we go. This is an aerial shot looking at our route up the Sound. Here's Ernie Pugh, my father, admiring the scenery. The scenery gets amazingly beautiful, except that it rains almost every day, and it's usually overcast. This is called Mitre Peak. We admire a waterfall. In May 2003, we drive to Queenstown, admiring these poplars in autumn colors. Here is Queenstown from the air. It too has a wharf and cruise ships. There are jet boat rides up the Kawarou River. We find our hotel, the Aurum, and think about taking the cable car up the mountain. There's our rent-a-car and fully equipped room with kitchen. Richard and I head out for an evening meal at Bombay Palace for a really hot curry. The next day we visit the wharf overlooking the lake to look at people. We are downtown. Wilbert Gilbert Rees, the first European settler, stated, "I saw an open country, not perfectly level, but broken by small hills and terraces, whilst a large lake or arm of a lake stretched away in the distance. This is a moa, an extinct kiwi bird. The famous New Zealand kiwi. New Zealand sheepskins abound. We head down the road to a lonely campsite overlooking the lake. You must agree, this scenery is stunning. There are only 2 campers at the park. We talked to a retired farmer who is enjoying camping. Here we bid you adieu and thank you for joining us for our trip to Milford Sound and Queenstown.